Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for being here again. I'm Dauna and this is my art channel. If you watch Olga Sobi, then you probably have seen those gradient pours. Well, gradient is a fluent motion of colors from one color to another color and maybe even more colors. Of course, acrylic pouring is perfect for that because it's already mixing together, and especially if you blow it out. So today I am gonna do a gradient pour on a dark base, a Prussian blue base, and only using pearl colors. So that is super interesting because pearl colors are white. But when you blow them out on a dark base, the color appears. But not always when it's wet. You must see it in the perfect light to see the colors. And when it's dry, you are definitely gonna see those colors on a dark base. So this is gonna be my gradient pour. Let's start. I will paint the sides first. The base color that I'm gonna use is a leftover and some scrape off of another pour. And I know it is transparent, so I would like to have the sides already covered. And I think black is nice and chic. It's nice to work on smaller canvases. Again, I've been using such big canvases, so I do not have a lot of this base color, and you see it's definitely mixed already with some pearl colors because it has this beautiful shine to it. I'm just gonna gently spread this out, but I want to keep enough on the base, and that's why it's even more perfect that I already painted the sides. And I'm gonna do a gradient pearl pour. This base color is so pretty, really. I'm just gonna pour a bit more here, where I'm gonna blow the colors out. And I'm using again this blow dryer, so it's not my regular blow dryer, but I find this attachment that I tweaked much nicer on a small canvas, and I've used this one multiple times in my workshops when I still gave them. Also in our acrylic pouring A to C course, I explain how you can tweak the attachment of your blow dryer and get different results. But let's start with this. I'm pouring here a yellow pearl, green pearl, pearl blue, pearl violet. Okay, so now I'm gonna add just a little bit more of the base color in the middle. And I'm gonna try to blow it out from that. I am definitely seeing the gradient here. I don't know if you guys see it, but this part is totally yellow goldish. Then here it's more white, blue, green, and then here it goes into a pink and a purple. That's so cool. Well, on this camera you're not seeing it, but you will definitely see it when it's dry. This went a lot better than imagined. I'm not a fan of this part. Alright, this is very cool. I Love the gradient in this. Alright, I'm gonna let this dry and wait for the end result here. Wait, what? Look at this gradient. What a gradient! I did not expect this to happen. It's already varnished. Wow. From here, the violet going into the blue, then to the green, and then to the yellow. And this base color is just perfect for these pearl colors, isn't it? Just using the pearl colors, and look at this effect. I'm mind blown. So you know what this means, right? Let's make more. Let's make more. This is beautiful. It almost looks like it's gold. Shining. And all those cells as well that the pearl colors are making with just a pearl color and that background. Yeah. This is making me super happy, and I would love to hear your opinion. More is coming up, so stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Click like if you love this one, and I'll see you next time, guys.